What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the introduction to the box model in CSS. So browsers load HTML elements with default position values. This often leads to an unexpected and unwanted user experience while limiting the views you can create. In this lesson, you'll learn about the box model, the model, and important concept to understand how elements are positioned and displayed on a website. If you have used HTML and CSS, you have unknowingly seen aspects of the box model. For example, if you have set the background color of an image, you may have noticed that the color was applied not only to the area directly behind the element, but also the area to the right of the element. Also, if you have aligned text, you know it is aligned relative to something. What is that something? All elements on a web page are interpreted by the browser as living inside of a box. This is what is meant by the box model. For example, when you change the background color of an element, you change the background color of its entire box. So we're going to learn, the dimensions of an element's box, the borders, the paddings, and also the margins. So take some time to explore the code to the right. See if you can figure out these the following properties, how it is displayed. Okay, so padding, you see the padding, you see the letter spacing, the height, the width, the overflow, all of that good stuff. So yeah. And then to continue, the box model comprises the set of properties that defines parts of an element that take up space on a web page. The model includes the content area size, so it's going to be the height and the width, and the elements padding, the border, and the margin. The width and height is the width and the height. So basically, plain English, it's just the height, like how tall it is and how wide it is. Padding is the amount of space between the content area and the border. So basically, think of bubble wrap. So think of your content as being like glass or something, and you have to put like padding or bubble wrap around it so it doesn't break. So think of it like that. And then the border is the thickness and style of the border surrounding the content area and the padding. So think of the border as the box, essentially the box that you put it in. So that's the glass, that's the bubble wrap, that the border is the box. And then you have the margin at the very end. So think of margin as the tape to basically hold the box together. You're basically taping the box together to hold that. That's the margin. So again, I've been using this picture all this time. But yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna end it right here. That was a quick introduction of the box model, which is very important in CSS, or rather in web development in general. So yeah, I hope that helps you a little understand how it is. And yeah, if you did find this valuable, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.